The Supervisor Dashboard organizes your call center into individual queue sections. Each queue operates independently with its own stats, its own agent roster, and its own set of controls. If you manage multiple queues, like sales, support, and billing, each one gets its own card so you can monitor and manage them separately. Let's look at how to read and manage your queues. Every queue header includes a stats bar with 8 key metrics. The first group shows real-time agent status. Waiting is the number of callers on hold right now. Avail shows agents ready for calls. Call shows agents currently handling a queue call, and paused shows agents who've stepped away. These 4 numbers tell you the live state of each queue at a glance. The second group tracks daily activity. Done is the total number of calls completed through the queue today. An abandoned is the number of callers who hung up before reaching an agent. A high abandoned count is a red flag. It usually means callers are waiting too long. Watch the ratio between done and abandoned to gauge how well your queue is keeping up with demand. The third group shows average time metrics. AVG hold is how long callers are waiting in the queue before an agent picks up. An AVG talk is the average duration of answered calls. These 2 numbers are your quality indicators. If AVG hold is climbing, you may need more agents or shorter breaks. If AVG talk is unusually high or low, it could signal a training opportunity or a change in call complexity. Below the stats bar, each queue lists its assigned agents with action buttons. You can pause an agent to temporarily stop sending them calls. A drop-down lets you pick a reason like break, lunch, or meeting. The unpause button brings them back immediately. And the log out button removes an agent from all queues entirely. These controls work in real time, so changes take effect across the system the moment you click. To assess queue health, compare the stats across your queues. A healthy queue has 0 or low waiting, several available agents, and a low abandoned count relative to done. If waiting turns red, callers are piling up. If available drops to 0 with calls still waiting, you need to unpause agents or log more people in. Use the All Agents section at the bottom to see who's free across all queues and reassign coverage where it's needed most. That's queue management in the Supervisor Dashboard.